In the last mini lecture, I went over something that I call the flip property that can be handy in simplifying expressions with exponents. And so I'd like to show how that can be used to help the process go more smoothly. And so let's get back to checkpoint 1. We'll do the last problem there, problem D. And this is it. We have a fraction, 5x over y to the fourth, and that whole fraction is raised to the negative 2 power. So we can use one of our properties, first of all, to apply this exponent to both the numerator and denominator. That's called the quotients raised to powers property. So first of all, we have 5x raised to the negative 2 power, and then we'll put it on the denominator, and we have y to the fourth raised to the negative 2 power. Okay, then we can take and work with both the numerator and denominator. Let's apply the negative 2 to both the 5 and the x. So in the numerator, we'll get 5 to the negative 2 power times x to the negative 2 power. In the denominator, we'll have y to the fourth to the negative 2 power. If we use our power rule, that's going to be y to the 4 times negative 2, or y to the negative 8th power down here. Okay? So we end up with this expression, but we have negative exponents, and it's not considered to be simplified until, or fully simplified until you have just positive exponents. So let's use the flip property on each one of these. We take 5 to the negative 2 power. It's negative in the numerator, but we could write that with 5 in the denominator to the positive 2 power. So that's how we can handle that. Same with the x. We have x to the negative 2 power in the numerator, but we could put the x down in the denominator and have it to a positive 2 power using the flip property. Similarly, with y to the negative 8th power, we could flip that up to the other side, or flip it up to the numerator, and then instead of having y to the negative 8, we'd have it up here with y to the 8th power. Then finally, these are good, but we should multiply this out. Instead of writing it as 5 squared, we should write that as 25. So what we'll end up with is y to the 8th over 25x squared, and that's in simplified form.